In a world full of endless distractions, your focus is being stolen every single second. Look around you right now. Every notification and every useless scroll is draining your brain's daily energy. This is not your fault, but it is your ultimate responsibility. The modern world is engineered to keep you poor and tired. But what if you could change all of that? What if you could reclaim your mind and build your first $1 million? The secret isn't working harder. The secret is protecting your dopamine. In this video, we reveal the blueprint to escape the trap completely. If you are ready to change your reality, let's begin the journey right now. To build a massive $1 million empire, you must first understand your ultimate enemy. The invisible enemy inside your mind is dopamine. This is the powerful chemical that drives motivation. It controls your desires, your actions, and choices. In the past, humans worked hard for rewards. They hunted food and built shelters with pain. Today, you get instant pleasure with zero effort. You unlock your phone and flood your brain. Every single infinite scroll ruins your future wealth when your mind is full of cheap dopamine. Doing hard things becomes completely impossible to execute. Reading a valuable business book feels deeply boring. Working on an online side hustle feels painful. Your corrupted brain refuses to do heavy work. It only wants fast, toxic, and easy rewards. This is exactly how you stay broke forever. If you want luxury, you must stop this. Prepare yourself to clear the mind right now. Now your brain is clean and ready for heavy execution. Welcome to the phase of ultimate human productivity. You have successfully broken the chains of modern slavery. Your mind is no longer chasing cheap digital dopamine. It is time to redirect your energy toward building wealth. Open your laptop and face your deep work head on. No music, no notifications, and no sudden breaks allowed. You will focus completely on one single massive goal. In the first 30 minutes, your mind might struggle. Read us. Push through the resistance with pure iron discipline. Suddenly, you will enter the legendary state of flow. Ideas will flow into your mind like a river. Hours of work will pass by in what feels like minutes. When you hit the 12th hour of this challenge, the real test begins. Your brain will experience an extreme craving for notifications. This is exactly where 90% of people fail and quit. To survive this critical phase, you must use friction-based control. Keep your device completely powered off in a separate room. If you want to check it, you must physically walk to that room. This simple physical distance breaks the automatic urge in your mind. Now, use this sudden empty time for heavy execution. Sit down with a pen and paper to plan your next business goals. Write the exact steps needed to launch your automation strategy. The first 20 minutes of this work will feel highly uncomfortable. Your mind will resist because it is not getting fast digital rewards. Push through this temporary friction with pure iron discipline. Once you pass this barrier, your deep focus finally unlocks. You will analyze your target market with absolute, sharp clarity. You are shifting your position from a consumer to a builder. This 24-hour reset repairs your damaged attention span. It proves to your mind that you can produce without distractions. It proves to your mind that you can produce without distractions. This discipline system defines your ultimate value in the market. The challenge is clear, practical, and non-negotiable. You now have the exact plan to reclaim your mind. Start your 24-hour dopamine detox right after this video. If you are ready to execute, write your start date below. Hit the subscribe button to join our global analytical network. We provide high-value strategies for future high-revenue creators. Thank you for your valuable focus and deep attention. See you in the next strategic breakdown.